We flew a drone at a lake that's about 10 miles away. We did a simulated call of a man with a rifle in the area, which is a very dangerous call for police officers to go into. It's important that they have the most information possible.
Sarah 1, we have a UAS in the area. We'll be checking.
453 copy.
453 X-ray, we're in the area.
As a chief, when I look at my organization, it's important for me to have resources available so that we can get people the right information and get them to the call as quickly as possible. The officer who is using the UAV can share to those officers that are rolling to the scene real-time information describing if there's a weapon, what the suspect is wearing, where the suspect is, and that way as the officers come into the scene, they're able to go in and deal with the issue immediately.
453 X-ray, do you have the live feed? Alright, there's a subject out of the vehicle. It's going to be a white male, approximately 6 feet tall, dark t-shirt, shorts, and he's armed with an AR-style rifle. He's pacing outside that vehicle. Alright, he threw the weapon down. He's walking. His hands are empty.
10-4.
Sarah 1, suspect in custody. Alright, walk northbound and look to your right and check that vegetation.
.453, I've recovered the suspect's weapon. Word code 4.
Sarah 1, I copy. UAS is return to base. Good job.